Welcome you all guys in our YouTube channel. So our today's topic is what is modulo operator. So uh, if you guys know what is division, so you can easily understand that what is modulo operator. So if in there you will see that this is our sign of modulo operator. So if you are asking me that why this is a modulo operator, why JavaScript do this, so I want to tell you that this is our scripted in JavaScript. Something in JavaScript is fixed, so you can assume that this is modulo operator, and you have to remember about that. This is our modulo operator. Wherever you want to express this as modulo, you have to write this type of sign as a modulo operator. So in modulo operator, if anyone say that what is 2 modulo of 2, here you can see that what is 2 modulo of 2. So you have to just remember what is division. So here what is 2? 2. So you have to write here 2 and this 2 division by 2. So if you are going to divide this 2 by 2, so 2 1 are 2, and this will give you as a remainder of 0, because here 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is one, this is what quotient, and this is our remainder. So this is our remainder and this is our modulo. This is our modulo. So what I'm trying to tell you that if anyone said that what is 2 modulo 2, so you can write here 2 modulo 2 is 0, because that if we divide 2 by 2, remainder were 0, and this is our modulo. So we are going to remove all this. You can also check here in console area what is 8 modulo 2. You can see here 8 modulo 2 is 0. Why 0? Because if you are going to divide 8, 8 is what? So first, in this first you can see that what is 8. So 8 modulo 2 means 8 divided by 2. You can write here 2, and if we are going to divide this, so 2 4s are 8, and this gives you as a remainder 0. Here you can see that remainder is what? Remainder is modulo, so gives me the output as 0. So now if you are going to take more example, so if you are going to, sorry for wait for 1 minute. If you are going to 13 modulo by 2, what should be the remainder? Sorry, I have right here 30 divided by 2. 30 modulo by 2. What should be answer? 1. Why? So I have already tell you that if you are going to 13 divided by 2, you can see here 2 6 ja 12, and what is the remainder here? Here remainder is 1. So what is your remainder? This is your modulo operator. Here you can see that answer is what? 1. So if we are going to write more example according to this, so guys, you have to remember that what is your remainder if you divide any number. So most of the student going to mistake here that they divide 2 by 8. So you have to focus on this, that 8 modulo 2 means 8 divided by 2, and what is your remainder? That is your modulo. So most of the student make mistake here. So if you are going to write here 20 modulo by 3, what should be the answer? 2. Why? 3 6 are 18, and remainder is what? 2. So 2 is our modulo. If you are going to write here 15 modulo by 3, what should be the answer? 0, because 3 5s are 15, and remainder were what? 0. That's why this is our modulo. So if we are going to take more example, that 100 modulo by 5, here you can see that 0. Why? 520 is a 100, and you can see here modulo is 0. We can take one more example here also. If you are going to sorry guys, I am not in MacBook, that's why from mouse I am going to divide all this, and this is very irritated you also, I know that, but you have to not worry about that. You can see here 5 to the 10, this will give you 0, and this 0 are coming here, so you have to divide 5 0 and 0. You can see here that modulo is our remainder is our 0, that's why you can see here that modulo is 100. What is your remainder? You have to assume that this is your modulo. Now if you how we write modulo in our JavaScript language, if you have understand all these things, now you are going to take an example. So if you are going to write here console.log, if you are going to write here console.log 2 modulo by 2 and bracket close, now you are going to run this will give you 0. Here you can see that 2 modulo 2 is 0. Now if you are going to write here 1 1, means that 112 modulo by 2 is what? Here you can see that also 0. Now if you are going to write here 15 modulo by 2 is what? From here now you can see that what is the value of 15 modulo by 2. These two are here, in this console log area, so you don't need to take this. So you can see that 15 modulo by 2 is what? 1. Why? 2 7s are 14 and remainder is 1, that's why the output is our 1. Now if you are going to write here more, take more example, and now you consider that 21 divided by 2 modulo by 2. Now you can see here example is 1. Now if you are going to write here 21 and modulo by 3, you can see here that our output is 0. You can see here our output is 0. Now you take more example also. 71 modulo by 3, you can see here what is the output? 2. Why? 3 2 the 6 2 1 1 1, 3 3 is a 9 and remainder is 2, that's why modulo is 2. You can also guys practice some more question related to modulo, and then you will understand that how modulo operator works. So what is right in first word, first letter, you can see that 112 modulo by 2, you have to divide 2 112 divided by 2, and what is the remainder? That is your modulo. You should not here 2 divided by 112, this will not give you modulo. You have to take 112 and divided by 2, and what is your remainder? That is your modulo operator. So okay guys, that's the topic I want to cover today. What is modulo operator, and definitely you will understand that how modulo operator works in your JavaScript. Next lecture, I am going to tell you about what is exponential operator in JavaScript and how exponential operator works in your JavaScript. Thank you. Please.